Greetings from Alpharetta, YouTube. What I've got here is boiled peanuts. These are fresh, green, raw peanuts from the farmer's market. This particular batch comes from Hardy's Farm Peanuts Farm in South Georgia. And we'll put these on with pretty simple. It's just got salt and water, and I boil them for about 3 hours, maybe 4, depending on how much salt you want in the recipe, but they'll cook for half the day. I wash them a lot, wash them 3 times before I put them in there. The Hardy's Farm Peanuts come down here pretty clean to start with, but you always got to go through there and check for bad peanuts and just give them a good look. But these are in very good shape. They're very clean, and they're going to cook up really nice. You check them. I stir them up every now and then. I keep make sure they got plenty of water. But they'll be fine. It'll take a while, but that's a mighty fine eating. I buy them by the bag, about a 5-pound bag at a time. Keep them in the refrigerator, and then bring them out a few pounds at a time. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll check with you a little later, and when these are done, we'll see what they taste like. Okay, here we are. We're having the official taste test for our peanuts, boiled peanuts. We've had them in there since 6 o'clock, about 5.5 hours, and a cup of salt. Maren is our taste tester. She seems to like them.
This is so
My
good.
guess is that she likes them. So these are fresh peanuts. These are raw peanuts. We got them from Hardy Farms down in central Georgia. But that's all it is. It's just boiled raw peanuts. That's the critical part of that, and salt. And
These are so good.
well, we're going to have to give her some to take home. So anyway, that's our taste test. We're doing pretty good. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Maren.
Bye.